Nadula. Here is the lady of the hour. She's a 7x5, 24-inch water wave. She's got these beautiful golden brown highlights. The wig already came pre-styled. You see she's already got this side part, bye-bye knots. She's already been plucked and bleached. Removable and adjustable stretchy elastic band on the inside of your cap for security. She's got this silicone grip around the perimeter of the back. The portion above the ears has already been cut out, so you don't have to worry about that. Adjustable straps in the back and one nape comb. And I done messed up many moons ago by praying to God for patience. Y'all can do that if you want to. Please don't do that. But I think if I could have chosen a lesson to learn in my youth, sometimes when it comes to relationships with people, we do ourselves a disservice by getting stuck on the fact that we think that they would react to a situation the way that we would react to a situation. You know what I mean? Not everybody has your heart. Sometimes you can't tell people about themselves even if you think it would benefit them because of the way that they're going to react. I'm seeing this a whole lot, especially online. So this is what she look like. See, I'm already loving this volume. All this is what I need. Only thing I'm gonna switch up right out the gate is my part, because I like my part to be on this side. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and change the direction of my part, because you want to do that before you start adhering anything to your head. Hold on, y'all. I need reinforcements. All right, sorry. I had to get my straightening comb and my wax, because this hair is not gonna listen to me unless I tame it. I think I'm gonna add some baby hairs as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my part, and then I'm gonna use my spray and some mousse to install the wig, and I'm gonna handle this hairline. I got my elastic band ready for me. I think I'm gonna add some baby hairs too. Y'all pray for me. Let's get to work.
Feeling something special for you, and now you got me thinking till the sun comes up.
All right, I know y'all saw me struggling with the baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry, then to come back, remove it, and then we're gonna continue with styling. All right, have me a nice little break. I'm back. All right, let's see what we got under here. Okay, we are melted. That mousse, it's gonna do it every time. So I like to break up the cast that the mousse gives for my edges, because I like my edges fluffy. So now I can style. I'm gonna go ahead and take my clips out. I just want to comb it out because I want to see how big it can get. I'm gonna define this water wave with my spray bottle and my mousse, but listen, I just had to see the potential first. I mean, what can you say? Let me stand up and give you a 360. This is so much hair, y'all. The bigger the better. I feel like I'm scraping this comb through this hair and I don't see too much shedding, so that is good. Oh my gosh! Look how long it is! Wow. Oh my gosh. People who have long hair like this in real life, how do you function? How do you not get your hair caught in like the car door or like sit on it all the time? It's fine. Okay, y'all know I'm a volume girl. I love big hair. You know, my goal is to have to turn sideways to walk through a door with my own natural hair. It's getting there. I'm gonna be waist length by December. I promise you that. Oh dang, I need to make a natural hair video. My hair is grown a lot, but maybe not this big, right? So I got my water. I got my mousse. My arms are already tired. I'm gonna use these two. After I define my curls, I'm gonna use my diffuser nozzle to dry them, and then I'm gonna fluff them out again because I can't help myself. Just ridiculous. So I'm gonna go ahead and change. I'm gonna be back, build some biceps, and style this wig.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel.
Let me tell you something. I love diffusing so much. Once you learn, the only thing I don't like is how long it takes. It takes a long time. But once you learn the technique, what I like to do with, because when you first look at it, it doesn't look like it's gonna do nothing, right? It looks like it's just gonna be straight. It has no curl, no nothing to it. You take the hair, you take the ends, You stick them, smush them right here, and then you just smush the whole thing up. And then I have my heat on medium to low, so that's not burning my ears off. But when you take it down, then you have all this volume and curls that came out of nowhere. It's a magic trick. So like any wig with a curl pattern or some kind of texture to it that I've ever diffused, this is the initial result. When I tell you in a couple of hours, especially here in Georgia, it's like 1,000 degrees outside, with the humidity, it will swell and get even bigger. So this ain't even its final form, right? It's just gonna swell and get bigger, and that's what I like. So you can see through defining the curls and drying the hair. I lost a little bit of inches, but I ain't no thing, she's still long. I'm not gonna put anything extra on her because I don't think she needs it. If you're gonna fluff her out, I recommend using an actual pick and not a rake comb like this, but I just go like to the roots, barely touching where the curls begin, and slowly lift up for a little bit of volume if you have a volume addiction like I do. You don't want to do too much manipulation unless frizzy is what you're going for. Hopefully I don't lose what I just achieved with the diffuser because I am gonna manipulate my hair. I'm gonna do my 360s and show you guys what it looks like in a couple of different styles. Thank you so much, Nadula, for sending me this hair. Y'all, my lights are not doing this wig justice because these golden highlights, I go with you. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me throughout this entire video. I mean, if you're still here, you might as well hit that like button if you want to. Be patient, be gracious, walk with kindness, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
When you're with me, come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price.